One exercise that burns fat all day. Today, I'm not here to sell you a miracle supplement or a secret shortcut that only fitness influencers talk about. What I'm about to share is simple, proven, and often ignored. There is one exercise that doesn't just burn fat while you're doing it, it keeps burning fat all day long, even after your workout is over. And that exercise is squats. Yes, something that simple. Most people underestimate squats because they look basic, but basic doesn't mean ineffective. In fact, squats are one of the most powerful fat-burning movements you can do with your own body weight. Why squats are so effective for fat loss? Squats are a compound exercise, which means they work multiple muscle groups at the same time. When you perform a squat, you're using your legs, your glutes, your core, your lower back, and even your posture muscles. Because so many muscles are working together, your body needs more energy. And when your body needs more energy, it turns to stored fat for fuel. That's why squats burn more calories than many isolated exercises. The afterburn effect, the real secret. Here's what most people don't know. The real fat loss doesn't happen during the workout, it happens after. Squats trigger something called the afterburn effect, also known as EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. In simple terms, this means after you finish squats, your body keeps burning calories for 12 to 24 hours. You could be sitting, working, walking, or even sleeping, and your metabolism stays elevated. Your body is repairing muscles, restoring oxygen levels, and using extra energy, which means more fat burned without extra effort. Squats and hormones, a powerful combination. Another reason squats are so effective is how they affect your hormones. Squats naturally increase growth hormone and testosterone in both men and women. These hormones help speed up fat loss, improve muscle tone, and make your body look firmer and more athletic. This is why people who include squats in their routine often look tighter and stronger than those who only do cardio. How to do squats for maximum fat burn. If your goal is fat loss, doing a few random squats won't be enough. You need structure. Beginner level, 3 sets, 15 squats per set. 30 seconds rest. Intermediate level, 4 sets, 20 squats, slow and controlled movement. Advanced level, squat down and hold for 2 to 3 seconds, 4 sets, 15 reps. Focus on form, keep your chest up, push hips back, keep your back straight. Quality matters more than speed. Common mistakes that stop fat loss. Many people don't see results because they make simple mistakes. Not going low enough. Half squats mean half results. Poor posture. A rounded back reduces effectiveness. Lack of consistency. Doing squats once in a while won't change anything. Remember this, consistency beats intensity every time. Is one exercise really enough? If you're a beginner, yes, it can be enough to start. Squats help you activate your body, build discipline, start burning fat safely. Once your body adapts, you can add walking, push-ups, lunges, but squats should always remain the foundation. Final truth. Fat loss doesn't have to be complicated. People make it complicated. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need extreme workouts. You don't need shortcuts. If you commit to squats, eat reasonably, stay consistent, and manage stress, your body will change. Sometimes the most powerful solution is also the simplest one.